This blank canvas right here, in the next few hours, it's going to become her. I'm not stopping until this looks exactly like her, even if it takes all night. This sketch is just a map, lightly blocking where the eyes goes, where the nose set, the shape of jaw. If I get this wrong, everything after it is wrong. So no pressure. Skin color is not one color. That's the biggest mistake people make. Look, burnt sienna, yellow ochre, tiny bit of white, touch of red for the warmth of the cheeks. Mix all of that together and you start to get something that looks like a human being. This is the part where I go quiet. Blending skin requires just full focus. One wrong stroke and it all goes muddy. Wait, hold on, look at this. The cheekbone, do you see that? The highlight right there. That's what makes it look 3D. That's the moment it stops looking flat. She's looking at me now. Now the hair. This is actually my favorite part because I get to use this brush and fly. Each stroke is a strand. Watch how fast these become together. And the flowers. These cream colored blooms in a hair. I'm going petal by petal with a flat brush. Each little stamp is one petal. It sounds tedious. It's actually really satisfying. Okay, look at this right now. Hair, flowers, skin, eyes. It's all coming together. I can see her. She is actually there. We are almost done. Okay, the eyes. I need everyone to understand. The eyes are where this either works completely or falls apart completely. There's no middle ground with the eyes. Lips next, and again, not red, not pink. It's this warm rose brick color, almost dusty. Lower lip catches more light, so it's always lighter than the top. Little things like that are what make it believable. This is what I love about painting. You start with nothing, a white canvas, and slowly, hour by hour, stroke by stroke, someone appears. Someone who wasn't there before, and now she's here. I cannot believe acrylic paint can look like this. Like we started with a black white canvas, and now look at her.